Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to convert your bank statements into a CSV, Excel, or JSON format. Once it's in this format, you can easily import it into any of your accounting software or Excel sheets to do whatever you wish with the data. So let's get started. Here I have a mock bank statement. I found this one online, but I've also tried with my own and it seems to work great. Here there's a bunch of different columns, and I can't easily copy and paste this into Excel. It just doesn't work. So let's go back to the bank PDF converter, and we're going to upload this statement. It's right here. And now I'm just going to convert it. And voila, it's done. Everything looks good in this. But for some reason, if it wasn't, I've been giving feedback and they've fixed it quite fast. So let's see how it looks like in a CSV. Easily download it and we can open it up. And here's the CSV data. We can easily import this into any of our accounting software, and you can also download the Excel version, although I don't have Excel on my Mac. And that's about it. The website is bank-pdf-converter.com, and it's quite easy to use. I'll see you guys next time for the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.